There's the final guides in place. They've had a good 48 hours almost to dry off. I've just checked it. Hula Girl has gone. Well, there we go. What we've got to do now is put the whole thing back together. There's the cable all nicely secured. I was told by Steiny of SHC Designs, Soft City Designs, why didn't I use a glue gun? Quite frankly, because I never thought of it. Anyway, got an old laptop charger, took it apart and then discovered why it didn't work. Because when I took it apart, the main socket fell out. So I got myself a charger, but I'll use it for something else. Now it's all apart, because I'll carry on and use the box for these connections, and they will go something along those lines like that. The other way around, Raymond. That's it, because they'll go in there, and then the other cables will come out here and go off to the jogging panel. Right, there we go. Making progress. Slowly but surely, but we're making progress. Hopefully, within the next fortnight, I'll have the Arduino board, motor control shield board to assemble. But we've got plenty to do till then. Right, now we're going to actually fix the gantry to the base, and I brought it from the back 2.5 inches, or approximately 65 millimeters from the back. And what I'm going to do is just run a pilot hole . Done it again, haven't I? Yep. Lack of battery. Do you think I'll remember one day? No, sorry. In the first instance, until I can find the bolts out I need, I'm going to be using wood screws, just so that I can manoeuvre the mount as one unit, because that'll make it a lot easier for me. I have had a look for some nuts and bolts, but to no avail. But this will hold it together until I can find some bolts. I'm not going to leave it like this to do any work with. I'm doing this so that I can get on and work on the gantry. You know, the jogging panel, the power supply, hooking up the main plate to the Z-axis. Okay, I'll do the rest off camera. I've got the box to fit for the X-axis motor and encoder. I got the brackets ready for the jogging panel. That's going to sit, as I showed you before, like that. Got the power supply to repair and fit on this side. So quite a way to go yet, but not very far.